Hi, today I'm going to show you a do-it-yourself teleprompter. I made this for only 250 Indian rupees. For this, the materials which I used was an old folder which I got at an orthopedic conference, a piece of glass, transparent glass, and that's it. A teleprompter was ready. The important thing is that what is the core scientific principle on which a teleprompter is based. If you recall your high school physics and go to the optics section in physics, would have probably remember a topic called total internal reflection of light. A teleprompter applies this principle. That is, if there is an incident beam of light which falls on a glass surface, transparent glass surface at a certain angle, instead of passing through the glass, it is reflected back. And this angle varies for various media. From air to water, the angle, total internal critical angle, it is called as the critical angle, is 48 degrees, and from air to glass, it is 41 degrees. So if you keep a glass plane at a 41 or 45 degree angle from the surface of a laptop or anything on which the script is, then that will reflect back. What you have to do is put a black cloth behind the camera so that external glare doesn't fall on the glass, and then your teleprompter is ready. I'm just going to show you the ready-made product here. This is the teleprompter. The camera is kept behind the glass over here. The laptop is kept on this. The light from this goes over there in the glass and gets internally reflected. You can also make this. I would be interested to know what design you have utilized. I have just made it from just throwaway materials. You can see the various steps in the making of the teleprompter explained here. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and you would also be able to make this do-it-yourself teleprompter. If you like this video, kindly hit the subscribe button and don't forget to click the bell button. Like it, share it with your friends and family. Thank you. Subscribe. My YouTube channel is youtube.com/user/A.K.Venkat or Madras Joint Replacement Center. Bye.